I've been learning drawing since 3 months ago and now I wanna practice drawing for 50 hours. After 14 hours, it's too early for result. I draw the body in different poses. That's not too bad. What did happen for this poor guy? I think that's better we just move on. It has passed a long time. Why hasn't finished yet? After 25 hours, I've just gotten tired and I need to rest and sleep. I think I've gotten better, but it's still not perfect. I don't draw faces, I rather than focus on figures. So after a few days, I came back to my desk and started again to draw.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
I can't believe that I finished 15 hours drawing. I've never done this before. I'm really glad that I do this challenge. I hope you enjoyed the videos and find all videos link in description. See you in next video. Bye.